Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful or useful, be sure to hit that like button. Maybe leave a comment before you go. Those really help the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. So there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can check out the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is a cocktail smoking kit, which is perfect for someone in your household that likes cocktails or smoked cheeses, meats, nuts, and that kind of stuff. The holidays are just around the corner, so this will make probably a nice Christmas gift. This is the box it's going to come in. So as you can see, it's a nice little box here, and it's already kind of has that wrapped look to it if you are giving this as a gift. So once you open it up, it has a nice little presentation. As you can see, you are going to get a little user manual that tells you how to operate it, of the things we are about to cover. You are going to get 4 different wood chip types. So this is the oak flavor. You're going to get a pecan flavor. Then you are going to get an apple flavor. And then you're going to get a cherry flavor. And then what those chips look like is they're just little small kind of pieces of 100% natural wood, and you're just going to take a pinch of those and then put it in. We're going to show you how this is used and all that stuff really shortly here. So in addition to that, you are going to get a butane torch, and here is the torch itself. Now what's nice about this torch is the top here can rotate 60 degrees. So it's got a nice little adjustable piece to it. And then butane torches are nice, not just for this cocktail smoking kit, but you can also use this if you are big into baking and whatnot. And like, let's say you like to make creme brulee, you can use the torch to do that. On the bottom here is where you're going to fill it up with butane. These do not come with butane, so you need to buy a butane refill kit, but you can pick those up at the grocery store, a lot of gas stations, liquor stores, etc. On the side here, you have a plus or minus dial. This is going to increase or decrease the flame type, and for safety reasons, there is a lock here, which you can lock to keep from accidentally hitting the trigger, and then you can unlock it, and then you can hit the trigger. You'll want to make sure that you purge this. Just make sure there's no air in it when you are using it for the first time. And then most butane kits have this, but just in case, they do include a little bag here with different adapter tips, so you can attach this and utilize this if you need. So in addition to that, you are going to get in this little plastic bag a nice little spoon for stirring, and then a cleaning brush to clean the kit itself. Now you're also going to get 2 stainless steel strainers, so that are these, and this is what you're going to put the wood chips in here and use to burn. And then finally, and most importantly, you are going to get the smoker cap itself. So this is what it looks like. It's got this hexagonal shape, and it's got this nice wide lip to it, so it can fit over a lot of different types of glasses, whether you're using a wine glass, whether you're using just a kind of like a whiskey glass, or even if you're just using a jar. Like I said, this is a great thing if you have somebody that likes kind of like smoked cheese, like a smoked cheddar cheese. You can do that. You can make a pecan smoked cheddar cheese. You can make a apple smoked nuts. You don't just have to utilize this for cocktails, but if you are making like an old fashioned, you want a little bit of a smoky flair to it, this is great for that too. Also, if you have a wine that you're not necessarily excited about and you want it to have more of a smoky flavor, you can add smoke to that too. But yeah, so open the lid here. This is where the little strainer piece will go. You'll pop that in. Then you're going to drop some chips in here, light it up, and smoke a cocktail. So we are showing you some footage of that happening, and you can kind of see that aspect. And then it has a little stopper here, which you just put over the top, and that'll put out the flames. And then it has all these holes on the bottom, which just let out the smoke. Now, you want to have that smoke in your glass, ideally for 10 to 15 seconds. That's going to be enough to get it in there. Obviously, you can leave it in there longer, and that's going to create a more smoky flavor, but you don't want to overpower the drink that you're making. And it's kind of a learning curve to it. As you make a few of these, you'll kind of get an idea of how well it works. And then finally, another little tip: if you chill the glass, that sometimes will help because it will kind of cause some moisture beads on the inside when you're smoking it, and the smoke will get into that and infuse into the cocktail itself, which is really, really nice, and an extra little tip if you are looking for that. Yeah, so overall, that's the ins and outs of this cocktail smoking kit. If you know somebody that likes cocktails, or like I said, smoked meats, or yourself, it's totally worth checking out. Makes a great gift, definitely with the box that it comes in. It automatically looks nice and presentable. And yeah, that's it. So if there is something I didn't cover, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And then, like I said, check out the links in the description that will take you to the product page, where you can see the current price point and all that information. And that is it. So until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.